Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to, yes, zoom in. Now, I'm making this tutorial because far too many teachers use Control Plus in order to zoom in on Google Docs, and that's just not the right way to do it. So, you'll see in Google Docs that there's this 100% here. And the reason I'm telling you not to use Control Plus is because it's really slow, it gets blurry sometimes, and it just glitches out your whole menu. You don't want this. Instead, you can perfectly cleanly zoom in by changing the number here. Either you can select one from the menu, or you can do something like maybe 101%. I don't know why you would, but you can. Or you can select something like 150%. And remember, better zoom it puts less strain on your eyes. You could also do 200%, which doesn't even get the whole width of the document in your view. And I believe it doesn't go beyond 200. Like if I put 500, it just goes back to 200. So 200 is the maximum, and I guess 50 is the minimum. And you can also select fit here, and it'll fit. It'll decide what's best for your screen width. And as you can see, I can see the full width of the page, but I can't see the whole length. However, it shows this because of the width of my screen. I'll go back to 100%. Now, this is not the same on Google Drawings and Google Slides. I'll show you how to do it there. Here I pulled up a drawing, and this is exactly the same on Google Slides. Just click the plus button here. It says zoom, or you can change the zoom here. Now, I'm already on fit, which is 70% for me because of my screen size. You can also select 50%, 100%, 200%, or you can use these buttons here to zoom in and out. And there's keyboard shortcuts for them as well. And you can't type in your own size, but when you have the zoom tool selected and then you left click, it zooms in, and if you press it again, it keeps zooming in. And maybe I'll put a little shape somewhere just to demonstrate. This is useful if you want to make really tiny shapes by adjusting the size to go smaller and smaller. So I zoomed in a lot, and now I can make it way smaller. It's even easier without the line border. And it's now too small to adjust, so I'll zoom in more. Oh, well, that's the maximum. So I'll just make it a little bit smaller. This is all to show you how zoomed in you can get. It's probably not even visible. Now select the zoom tool again, and if you right click, you zoom out. Of course, you can also just go to settings, not settings, sorry, click the drop down menu and then select fit. That just goes straight back. The thing we just made, it's not even visible, but it's over here. And this is exactly the same on Google Slides. You can find the zoom tool there as well. I'm not sure about spreadsheets. It might be the same as in documents, or it might not. And that's really it. I hope you know why I showed you this. It's because, again, zooming in with Control Plus, which is the browser zoom, messes up all the menus. It blurs things. It reduces your visibility, and it's just better to use the built-in zoom. Thanks for watching.